Let's see in this lesson how to use the commands of the BIM editor to define personalization or specific action on the 3D model. We can imagine that the inverter is not located on the external wall, but for example, it's inside the building, in the basement, under the stairs. So anyway, inside the model, inside the building. How we can locate an object in the 3D model, the inverter in this case? What we have to do? Software as section box of all building. This is a new command, is called section box. So automatically Solarius presents section box of all building, of all construction. So what the section box does? It closes all building on a cube. So I have opportunities intersecting all phases to cut my building and enter in the model. I can select the object and locate in the place I want. I cut on this face of the house and I want to locate the inverter inside. We can hide the section box view and we put the inverter on the wall inside. Going back on the standard 3D view, I don't see the inverter anymore outside. So this is thanks to this command. But what happens to the project's graphic board? With unusual or traditional CAD, I need to move all elements one by one. So I need to go to all view and change the position in all sections. With a BIM software, everything changes automatically. So in the graphic board, in the site plan, in the elevation view, in the section, in whole view. So I don't see the inverter outside anymore. Inverter is disappeared. I don't see the inverter anymore in the working drawings. And that's because the BIM software changed everything automatically. So it changed position in all view. So I update the model. And if I take a look to the 3D view, I have no more inverter outside. I don't need to go in all view, in all section and change the position of the element. That's a very important aspect. So as you can see, we can do all changing we want, simple changing or different kind of change. And I can do everything on the plan view or the 3D view, on the 3D model, and find everything on the working drawings. Another interesting command present in the BIM editor is light and shadow. With this command, we can see shadows projection of obstacle, and we can see it also day by day. So, for example, we can fix a date. We can choose 13th of March. 13th of March from 12:47 to 14. So we obtain the real projection because software knows orientation and it knows also the correct location of the building. So we can see shadows, but we can also see a simulation of sunrise and sunset for the day I choose at the beginning. We can show to the client the potential of the BIM software and the potential of Solarius PV that shows how to locate the photovoltaic plant and how obstacle defines shadows on the plant. So we are going to present to the client an accurate design of the photovoltaic plan with all details thanks to all commands we have in Solarius PV.